What can we do if we lose our best client? So today I'd like to answer to this question just because recently I lose my best client during our coaching journey. So I started working with this man from Dubai some months ago, and we created a very beautiful relationship, and everything was going very well. And when you feel that feeling with your client, you can you can feel on your skin that the things are going on the right path. So why this person decided to interrupt the journey with me as a professional, with me as a coach? Just because I have to admit that I made a mistake. So the people that I usually work with are very busy. They are managers, CEO, founders, people that usually spend a lot of time to work, to push very hard. A lot of them are a lot of them are a hyperachiever, and you know the mistake that I made was to try to help him to change his life routine, to insert some new breathing techniques. So, on a theoretical level, this was the right move to do in that moment. But on a practical side, I have to admit that I asked him too much considering his life routine. And I was very upset, to be honest, hearing his decision to stopping the coaching journey with me. But at the same time, that lesson for me, it was crucial because I understood that you know in the majority of the situations, you don't need to create the perfect path for your people, for your clients. In the majority of the cases, the best thing that you can do as a coach is to, create a tailored path that slowly move the routine of these people. And so for me, this client helped me to understand this, and I'm so glad because from the right perspective, every failure that you made during the process, that you make during the process, can help you to really iterate this process and also to improve during the time. And that's for me, for my vision, that's the only way to build something that has value for you as a professional and especially for your clients as well. That's the reason why I decided to rebuild from that experience my entire offer around the breathing. And that's why right now the first step doesn't require weeks, it requires just minutes. And I'm talking about a little tool that I recently built. It's the breath audit, and this tool help you to understand how your respiratory system is working in just 8 minutes. And this is the foundation of everything, because starting from there, we can work together on your breathing pattern with a solid and quick foundation. And if you are curious to learn more about it, you can find the link of the breath audit right below. Thanks for your attention. If you have any question about the breath audit, please ask me. I'm here to help. See you.